My promise. I promised them edible poems like pancakes and coffee. They believed in me and looked forward to a poetic gastronomic feast. But no matter how many words I wrote, how many rhymes I mixed, how many lines I brewed, and how many times I baked, it just didn't work. The pancakes were raw. The coffee leaked and ran off the table. Although exhausted, I kept trying. Friends who had stood by me started to leave. One man on the refugee-crowded road shouted, "I thought you'd never give in, and look, you've all but become a Republican." A woman in the model house said bitterly, "My handicapped child has suffered because of your fruitless experimenting." Time was running out. How many times could I start again, try again? I became dangerously discouraged when, thank God, I woke up and was released from my promise.